Hi everyone, this diaphragmatic breathing exercise is designed to help you relax, focus, release stress and anxiety, improve mood, and improve your physical and mental health. This is the 4-7-8 method, which means that you will be inhaling for a count of 4 seconds, holding your breath for a count of 7 seconds, and exhaling for a count of 8. All you have to do is just follow along with my voice and my breathing. You can put your right hand on your heart and your left hand right below your heart above your stomach if you'd like. Remember, you are inhaling through the nose and exhaling out the mouth. And let's begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. 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 Inhale. Hold. Exhale.